Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's DIY, we are doing 2-in-1 sun hat. So the first process is taking your head measurements. So the head measurement I'm going for is 21 inch, but my measurement I'm going to use is 22 inches because of the sewing allowance, guys. So yeah, I'm taking 11 inches for the length. Then my wideness is 4 inch, guys. So my wideness is 4 inch, so I'm just going to mark that out. So that process, I found that the chalk I was using wasn't showing well, so I'll switch to a pen soon. Yep. So guys, now I'm just going to rule it out, the 4 inch for the wideness and the length 11 inches. Remember guys, this 11 inches I'm using is with the sewing allowance. Is with the sewing allowance. So now I'm just going to minus 1 inch at the bottom, then add 1 inch at the top. 1 inch at the bottom, 1 inch at the top. The 1 inch I minus at the bottom, I added it at the top, so I'll get my 4 inch back. So I'm just going to rule that. Then from that top, 1 inch I added for that top, I'm going to minus half inch. So the 1 inch I added to the top, I'm going to minus half inch from the length. From the 11 inches length I put, I'm going to minus half inch. Then I'm going to slant it down. That's it there. Then from that half inch that I slant, I'm going to slant it to the top, just like that. Then I'll do the same thing at the bottom. From the 1 inch I minus, you slant. So this process is just to give you that curve you need for the center, that round curve you need for the center. So now we're just going to trim it out. So yeah, we're just going to trim it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please share to your friends. It helps a lot. So guys, I'm just going to mark the top and the bottom, so I'll know which of where it's going. So the next part is the top center, and in this part is going to be folded into 4. This part is going to be folded into 4 because I need the circle around. So in this, the measurement I'm going with is 3.5 from the tip point to 3.5. From the tip point, then I measure 3.5. When you measure it into, when you measure this the curve, open it up and measure it, you get 10.5, which is 21, which is the 21 I'm going for. Then when I place it on the fabric I'm using, I will cut out the sewing allowance with it. I'll cut out the sewing allowance with it, which is supposed to be like 4 inches, but I'm using 3.5 here. So in this last part is for the down but aside. So this bottom, since I'm going to cut out a half inch for sewing allowance, I decided to just cut this out here. So here over here is the first I use I had one I had that is 4 inches, so I used to cut the top out from that 4 inch just to get the starting point. So from that 4 inches I'm measuring 6.5 here. So this is 6.5, guys. This 6.5, if you want it to be wider, you can go for it. If you want it to be lesser, you can still go for that. But mine, I just want mine to be this wide. Then I can still sew. If I wanted something that's very extremely big, I can increase the measurement. So for now, I'm just going for like a normal size, which is 6 inches. So now I'm cutting out my 6.5. But yeah, I'm just going to like make sure it aligns together, the curve align together, because this, this needs to be perfect. So I'm just going to make sure that the marking are on the same. Then I'm just going to trim it out. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. It helps, it goes a long way, guys. It helps a lot for me to do more videos in the future. The more you like, the more you comment, the more you share, it's reach more audience for me. Thanks, guys. And don't forget to follow my other accounts. My Instagram account is House of Coco. My TikTok is House of Coco, and my Facebook page is at House of Coco too. Thanks, guys. So now, cutting it off, I now found that the measurement is wider than what I need. Remember, guys, I'm going for 21 inch, but this obviously is more than 21. It's more than 21. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to add it to the bottom of the middle piece to that first middle piece we cut out. So I'm going to just align it, trace it out to the bottom of this center piece, sorry, this middle piece, to get the exact measurement I need. So I opened it into 2 now. It was into 4, so I just opened it into 2 now to get the exact measurement I need. So after marking it, I'm going to trim that out. Then this is the fabric I'm using. These are the fabrics I'm using. So now the next part now is just to put them on top and trim them out. So that's it, guys. Let's trim. So guys, remember, whatever you cut out in this fabric, you cut out in the other fabric. Remember, it's 2 in 1 we are sewing here, not just one inner face. It's 2 in 1 we are facing, so you can turn it wherever which way you want. You can wear it any occasion, when you are going to the beach, but this hat is mostly used when you're going to the beach, let's be honest. So but I just want to let you know, whatever I did in this fabric, I did in the second fabric, but only the gum stay I added to this thing I added has different names. I call it gum stay, some people call it inner facing. So for this, I added only this part of the fabric. So I'm just going to go in and sew it around. So yeah, I'm just going to join it like this and stitch it out. As I stitch it here is the same way I'll stitch it in the other fabric. The way I stitch it here, I'm just going to stitch in the other fabric. Then I'll come back and show you guys. So just me, the way I pin it down, that's how I'm going to sew it. I only added this gum in only this fabric. I didn't add the other one because this is the strongest one. This is the strongest gum stay. So guys, this is it back from the sewing machine. So as you can see, yeah guys, so this is it, and this is the second fabric I'm using. As you can see, I didn't add, like I said, I didn't add it because this one is very strong. The gum stay I use in it, the inner face I use in it, whatever you want to call it, is very strong. So now I'm just going to turn it inside out and place it on top of that one so I can stitch it together. So this part is a bit difficult because of the gum stay I used. So when you are stitching it, guys, do not stitch it because remember you have to turn it inside out. So do not leave like 4 inch or 2 inch. You will not be able to get everything out. So leave like an 8-inch allowance, 8 inch. Guys, you can sew it like this now. See it? I sewed it and I left like a big gap, which is 8 inch. So this 8 inch, now I'm going to fold it in, following the sewing allowance I took. I'm just going to fold it in round. Now I'm going to stitch it round. I'm going to sew it in and stitch it round. So this is the finished product, guys. As you can see, it's stitched round, not only on that part that I left, but round. So as you can see, this is the finished product, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends and family. It goes a long way. Thanks, guys. See you in the next DIY video or any other video I upload. Don't forget to click the notification buttons to know when I upload any other video. Thanks, guys, and bye. Please don't forget to follow my Instagram account, my Facebook page, and my TikTok at House of Coco. At House of Coco, that is HAUX of then Coco, COCO. Thanks, guys, and see you next time. Bye.